Hello everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English, the channel where you learn real English for real life.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Lucas.
We're very happy to be with you again today.
Yes, we hope you are having a great day, evening, or night, wherever you are in the world.
And before we start, please remember to subscribe to Let's Talk in English, like this video, and share it with your friends and family who are also learning English.
Your support really helps us continue making new videos.
All right, Lucas. Are you ready for today's topic?
Yes, I'm ready. What are we talking about today?
Today's topic is very important and very useful. We are going to talk about daily routine.
Daily routine. The things we do every day.
Yes, what you do in the morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
And this is very useful for speaking practice, interviews, and conversations.
So, Lucas, what does daily routine mean?
A daily routine is what you do every day, the activities you repeat again and again.
For example, waking up, brushing your teeth, going to work.
Eating breakfast, studying, going to bed.
Exactly. All of that is part of your daily routine.
And today, we will talk about our daily routines step by step.
All right, Lucas, let's start with the morning.
Okay. My day usually starts at 6:30 a.m.
6:30 in the morning. That's early.
Yes, I wake up early because I like quiet mornings.
What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
The first thing I do is turn off my alarm.
That's important. Sometimes I press snooze 1 or 2 times.
Yes, me too sometimes.
Then what do you do?
After I wake up, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom.
And what do you do in the bathroom?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower.
Nice. That's a good, healthy routine.
Yes. After that, I dry my hair and get dressed.
What do you usually wear in the morning?
I usually wear casual clothes for working at home.
Nicey. I wake up at 7 a.m.
A little later than me.
Yes. The first thing I do is check my phone for messages.
Many people do that.
Then I make my bed and open the window.
Oh, that's a nice habit.
Yes, I like fresh air in the morning.
Do you have breakfast every day, Sarah?
Yes, I do. I never skip breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat toast with butter and I drink coffee.
Coffee is very important in the morning.
Yes, it helps me wake up.
I usually have eggs and bread.
And what do you drink?
I drink coffee or sometimes orange juice.
So, learners, you can say, I usually eat. I usually drink.
For example, I usually eat cereal for breakfast.
Or, I usually drink tea in the morning. After breakfast, what's next, Lucas?
After breakfast, I prepare for work.
What do you need to prepare?
I organize my desk, check my schedule, and plan my day.
That's very organized.
Yes, it helps me stay productive.
I check my emails and prepare my lessons.
Because you're a teacher.
Exactly. I also write a to-do list.
What time do you start working, Sarah?
I usually start working at 8:30 a.m.
Me too. I start my work around 8 a.m.
And what do you usually do during work?
I edit videos, write scripts, and answer messages.
Sounds busy.
It is. What about you?
I teach students online, create lesson materials, and help learners improve their pronunciation.
That's great.
Do you take breaks while working?
Yes, I do.
How often?
I usually take a short break every 2 hours.
What do you do during your break?
I stretch, drink water, or walk around the house.
That's very healthy.
What about you?
I like to have tea and listen to music.
What time do you have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 1 p.m.
Me too.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice, beans, chicken, and salad.
Very Brazilian.
Yes. What about you?
I like eating soup or pasta.
After lunch, I go back to work.
Same for me.
My energy is sometimes low in the afternoon,
Yes, afternoons can be tiring.
so I drink more water and sometimes coffee.
What time do you finish work?
I usually finish at 6 p.m.
Me too. After work, I relax.
What do you do to relax?
I watch videos, listen to music, or talk to family.
I like reading books and going for a walk.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 7:30 p.m.
Same for me. Dinner is usually lighter than lunch.
Yes.
After dinner, what do you do?
I take a shower and relax.
Then I watch something or read.
And finally, I go to bed.
What time do you sleep?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Sleep is very important.
Yes, a good night's sleep helps us learn better.
Now it's time to practice.
Repeat after us.
I wake up at.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I eat breakfast at.
I start work at.
I go to bed at.
All right, everyone. This is the end of today's episode.
We talked about daily routines.
Now it's your turn.
Go to the comments and write your daily routine in English.
Even if it's just 3 sentences, practice every day.
Don't forget to like
Subscribe.
and share this with your friends.
See you next time. Bye.